Independently, silently, by ourselves without talking. Homework out if we have it. Any late homework you may have? Working on this silently, independently by ourselves. Kanye West wanted to sell his CD for $15. However, Target wanted to sell it at a discounted rate. What is the total cost of the CD if it was to be bought from Target? We should also have our algebra package, so we will be utilizing our algebra package that we have. Algebra package from chapter 8. Algebra package. I see book bags underneath the table, not on our backs, not on the chair next to us, but underneath the table. Underneath the table. Another 30 seconds to work on this. Another 30 seconds. All right, that is our do now time. Kanye West wants to sell his GOOD music CD for $15 at all retailers. Target, however, will be selling it with a 15% discount. What is the cost for the GOOD music CD at Target, rounding to the nearest cent, if needed? Okay, Monet, your feet. Ooh. Ooh. Adam, can you explain to us how we will do it?
$15 and then we multiply that by 15%, which is 0.15.
And what do we get when we do that?
You get oh no, that's not it. Oh yeah, you get that. You get $2.25.
So the discount is going to be $2.25 off of the actual cost. How do we get to the Target cost, Deborah? Okay, we multiplied 0.15 times 15, and that gave us $2.25. That's how much the discount is. How much is it going to actually cost you before tax, of course, at Target? Preston? How did you get that? How many people agree with 13? We said 1375, right? How many people agree with 1375? Let me see a hand raise if you agree with 1375. Only one person agree? What do you have, Adam? Oh, we have a little discrepancy. Let's go ahead and do that algebra. We got 15.00 minus 2.25. 4, 9, 10, 5, 9 minus 2, 7, to 12. Got my units. $12.75 is the correct answer. Let's clap it up for Preston and for Adam to walk us through it.
Ow, I got it wrong.
You were close. You were close. So can I get a volunteer to read our aim for today? What are we doing today? What's our aim for today? I need a scholar with a nice, strong, boisterous voice, nice, strong, coming from the diaphragm. Adam?
Scholars will be able to.
There we go.
I'll be wrong. Find the roots of quadratic equations do backwards.
So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be finding what's called the roots of a quadratic equation through factoring, taking some knowledge that we already have of factoring and of solving of factoring quadratic equations, and then finding out how to solve them or find the roots. So let's turn to page 5 in our package. Page 5 in our package, and I need someone to read the zero product property. What exactly is the zero product property? Deborah?
For any real numbers, A and B, if AB equals 0, 0, and either A equals 0.
Stay focused.
Either A equals 0, B equals 0, or both A and B.
Very good. And then, Raheem, can you read that next sentence for us underneath the box? Okay, those are the definitions we're going to be using today. So let's go ahead and put those to use and go ahead and do an example to see what exactly that means. So let's look at example 1. It says solve each equation and check the solution. So to solve these equations, number 1 says d minus 5 times 3d plus 4 equals 0. So we have two things being multiplied together, and they're telling us that it equals 0. Okay. So from our product, our zero product rule, we're going to be using that to find the solution to this. And most of our equations that we're going to be looking at are going to have two answers. And we'll see why. So we can have this, and by the zero products, we should be writing this down.
Under the example 1?
Yep. We can say, by the zero product property, we can say that d minus 5 equals 0, and 3d plus 4 equals 0. So we're going to have two different solutions to what d is going to be in this equation due to our zero product property.